first tomato.
You took good care of it.
Anyone receiving?
The signal is getting stronger.
I love rainy evenings.
Home is warm, no matter how hard it rains outside.
Do you think someone will see our light?
As long as it shines, someone might find their way home.
Kenji, someone's there.
Maybe we're not alone.
No matter what waits beyond the sea, we'll face tomorrow together.